Equivalent fractions using number chips. This is a digital lesson, and this one is basketball themed. So the lesson starts with showing students how to find equivalent fractions by simplifying. So they're going to divide the numerator and denominator by the largest common factor. And they're going to do that starting on slide 3. So they have these movable number chips, and they're going to move them into place to show that they've simplified each of these fractions. Now, every slide has every number the students need, so if they get to the end of a slide and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So in that way, it's self-checking. So here, if you divide the numerator and denominator by 2, you get 1 in the numerator, so you click and hold on the edge, just move it into place, and then 1/7. Here we can divide by 4, we get 8/9, and so on. They're going to do the same thing on the next slide, and then also slide 5. Slide 6 shows students how to change a fraction that's greater than 1 to a mixed number. So they're just going to divide. 8 goes into 12 one time with 4 left over. Now they have this 4/8, they need to simplify it to 1/2. So they're going to be doing that on the next slide. 5 goes into 22 4 times, so this is where their whole number goes. 5 times 4 is 20, that means there's 2/5 left over. And then they've got 3 more problems to solve. Then they're shown how to change a mixed number back to a single fraction. So here they have 2 and 1/6. They're going to take the denominator, multiply times the whole number, add the numerator. And then that denominator is going to stay the same. They're going to do that on the next slide. And then when they get down to the final slide, they've got letter chips. So they're going to solve a basketball riddle by just placing the letter chips into the correct place to solve. And so if they get the rest of the lesson done, they can have fun working on this one. So that is the basketball version of equivalent fractions using number chips.